So welcome back to Reviewpedia, and today we'll be talking on molecular dynamics simulations. So here molecular dynamics simulations are performed soon after the docking studies where we are going to understand the stability of protein and ligand complex and interactions of protein and ligand complex and conformational changes between them, and also to analyze the RMST variations in both the protein and ligand. We are going to perform this molecular dynamics simulations. So here I'm using Desmond as an interface to perform this MD simulations. I'm going to show you each steps how you can perform MD simulations, and lastly I'll be showing you how you can analyze the RMST plot of protein and ligand complex. So let's just dive in. And so yeah, the first step that you'll be doing is click on File and change the working directory and give the directory towards the folder where you have dumped all your protein and ligand files. And next step would be click on File and import the protein structure. So in this protein structure, it's basically a ligand and protein dot structure here, and I'm going to prepare it before performing simulations. So yeah, I'll click on protein preparation and I'm going to minimize and delete all the water molecules, change the job name and click on run. Yeah. So this docked complex is now prepared. You can see it in the jobs option. And next step that I'll be doing is system builder, where I'm going to create an environment to the protein and ligand complexes for simulations. So yeah, this is system builder, and here I'm going to predefine the force field, and I can also change the box shape, and I'm assigning the distances and minimizing the volume of protein and ligand complex where it can sit in the boundary box. I'll change the name and click on run. So this is how the result file looks like, where I've given all the water molecules and solvents to the system builder file. And then yeah, the next step would be molecular dynamics. So this is the MD simulation step where we are going to perform MD simulations. Yeah, you have to load the model system, that is the system builder file, which was in out.cms format. And yeah, in this it has around 33,437 items, and you have to change the trajectory and simulation times according to your requirements and change it to a constant volume and temperature, and I'll click on run. So this is how the molecular dynamics simulations is performed. And yeah, so once we perform this molecular dynamics, we are going to get the file in out.cms format, and that file can be taken to analyze the simulation interaction. So in the simulation interaction, we are going to see the RMST region and the variations of protein and ligand. And in that RMST, we are going to analyze the stability of protein and ligand complex. So RMST is nothing but root mean square deviation, where it provides a quantitative measure of how much the structure deviates from an initial reference structure over the course of simulation. So this is the RMST plot of protein and ligand complex, and this is the RMST region which exhibits in Armstrong. And here it is the simulation interaction time. Here I've taken it from a random paper, so they've ran the simulations for around 10 nanoseconds. So this is the time region, and the red one is the ligand and the blue one is protein. So this is how the interaction of ligand and protein complex is. So the stable one will exhibit lower RMST value. That means it indicates that the protein and the ligand structure is constant. So here we can see it around 5.6 Armstrong. That means there are slight variations in protein and ligand complexes. and it should be below 3 if in case it is having a good stability interactions between both ligand and protein. So this is how the RMSD plot looks like. And that's all for today. Thank you. Thank you for watching Reviewpedia. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.